Hey, what's up? Benny here. And if you are building an online business, you really need to hear this. There's one thing that online vendors and affiliates tend to screw up more than anything else, and that's funnels, sales funnels, lead funnels, basically all kinds of funnels that are out there. Whether you're marketing your own, making your own products, or you're trying to be an affiliate marketer, your success is going to require that you build a funnel properly. Now, the problem is that most people just don't get it. I mean, they don't fully understand what a funnel really is, what goes, the process that is required on the back end. So they struggle to put it together properly. Now, just because you've seen a funnel or you've been through a funnel process before, that does not mean that you know what's happening behind the scenes. You also need to know how to monetize the back end, which is, where the real money is made. And look, there's no magic push button solution for this in any of the platforms that are out there. Okay, not WordPress, and definitely not any of those fancy drag and drop page builder that you find on the market today. I've been in the industry for 12 years and we've gotten pretty good at the whole funnel thing. That's why I've created this class on building funnels. For beginners, it's a one-stop shop learning everything you need to know on how to set up a sales funnel. We're going to cover funnels, fundamentals 101s. We're breaking down into the basics of how it works, the anatomy of a perfect funnel. You'll learn the exact funnel building blocks to start from building the ideal sales funnel. You'll discover what's the best system for you, and advanced funnel strategies. We're revealing profit producing funnel tricks that are used by most of the experts out there. But don't worry, this is perfect for beginners. You can see the full syllabus right down below. There's only 200 spots available. This is an ongoing class, so every week I'm going to record each session so that you'll be able to access the videos long after the class is done. All the class materials, the checklist, the worksheets, and the glossary will be made available. Now, building funnels is a critical skill if you are, for your online business. So if you are just starting to build your funnels, or you need to know how to build successful funnels, this is the class for you. For you to check out the syllabus below, sign in, register, and we'll see you in the class.